Hello kids, good morning. Now children, let's start class. Today ma'am has planned one activity for you, right? That is circle the correct capital letter that makes the begin sound of the picture. So what you have to do is you have identify the picture and beginning sound and circle the correct letters. Okay? पहले आपने पिक्चर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, फिर उसके बिगनिंग साउंड को, देन करेक्ट लेटर को सर्कल करना है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? लेट्स स्टार्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? B is for ball. What is the beginning sound is ball? B. B is for ball. Where is B? This one is B? No. This one is B? No. This one is B. Yes. Circle it. And next is fish. F is for fish. What is the beginning sound is fish? F. Fish. Where is F? Yes. Circle it. F for is fish. Next is elephant. What is the beginning sound is elephant? Elephant. This one is E? No. This one is E? No. This one is E? Yes. E is for elephant. Circle it. Next is dog. D for dog. D का sound D. Where is D? Where is D? Tell me, student. Yes. Circle it. Now, who will tell me? What is this? Grapes. G is for grapes. Where is G? This one is G? No. This one is G? Yes. Circle it. Next, cow. What is the sound is cow? Cow. Where is C? This one is C? No. This one is C? Yes. C is for cow. Circle it. Same way, you have completed page number 25. Okay, बच्चे. See you in next class. Bye bye.